Olympics. A round of applause, please.
To our beloved Education Program Specialist 2 in us, Miss Nora Samson, our ever supportive and hardworking principal in charge of the district, and Anini Central School Principal 2, Miss Maria Rowena T. Elisterio, our active PTA officers, headed by Miss Genevieve E. Javier, Miss Geraldine Cañas, Alumni Batch 1994, our supportive Municipal Mayor, Honorable Maxfield B. Policar, dear teachers, parents, classmates, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful and pleasant afternoon to all. Today is a memorable day for all of us because it features another milestone in the lives of graduating pupils like us. It is a day to celebrate and it is a day to mourn. A celebration because after 6 long years of acquiring our basic education, we are now ready to move forward one step higher in the ladder of our quest to greater level of educational heights. Today is a mournful day because we are leaving the portals of our dear alma mater, which cradled us when we were still young boys and girls, waiting to be involved in the daily school activities. As I stand before you today, I am faced with challenges of the fast-changing time. But still, I'm here standing in front of you amidst all the challenges that came my way, just like the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. I am molded to become resilient whatever storm happens along the way. Thus, I have this feeling of pride and happiness because I have proven to myself that I can be the best of what I am only if I will strive hard and have a sense of determination and perseverance. I'm also happy because all my efforts and sacrifices were well paid off. Young as I am today, I can say that failures and trials should not be the reason for us to say no and never try to do something. Rather, let us make them an inspiration to do better or let them strengthen our character. These medals I have today are the fruits of my labor, and I know I could not be this best if not because of Mami Maymay and Daddy RJ. Thank you for the love and care and for being my supportive fans, prayer warriors, personal assistant, driver, and private tutor in every activities I'm joining with. To Mama Der Myra Tumugdan Silvero and Manang Bebs, thank you for taking care of me when Mom and Dad is not around. Moreover, I want to express my great thanks to Mami Inday Mara Alora Iligan, who serves as my second mother and supporter when Mom is not available. Your presence is an emblem and inspiration of joy in my heart. To my teachers for the insurmountable dedication and patience in teaching us, moms and sirs. I learned a lot of things from you which I will value as I continue getting through my dreams. You all contributed a lot to our success. We will remember to cherish your pieces of advice to strengthen us. To my fellow graduates, we end up glorious chapter of our lives and a new one will begin. New adventures, new friendships, new series of struggles. But with the things we learned from Anini Central School, let's keep stepping towards the fulfillment of our dreams. To our dear parents, who are always beside us. Since our first day in school, we will share with you our first taste of victory. Thank you so much for the great care and concern in sending us to school. We cannot repay you, but we promise to be ever true and sincere with our studies. To our dear alma mater, our unending love to you, we promise them that whatever we will be and whenever we shall be, your name will always ring in our hearts. For you are the force that pushed us beyond. Whatever laurels we will achieve, we will offer them back to you. To Almighty God, we praise you by whispering a silent promise to dedicate our lives to you by serving you with faith and love. May you give us more courage and stamina to continue our journey to the top of our goals. Fellow graduates, please stand. Let's clap our hands to everybody whom, because of them, we're able to reach this endeavor. Because of them, we can truly say we made it. So together, a big round of applause for them and said, Duro-duro gid nga salamat kaninyo tanan-tanan. Duro-duro gid nga salamat kaninyo tanan-tanan. Finally, we truly promise to uphold high the banner of Anini Central School to come back as promising individuals with our heads crowned with success. Thank you so much and may God bless us all.